Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to create daily, weekly, and monthly reviews in Todoist. This is your complete 2025 guide. Let's get started. First off, we open Todoist and click on the plus button at the bottom right to create a new task. The reason we do this is because our reviews are essentially tasks that repeat at set intervals. Next, label this task as daily review, weekly review, or monthly review, depending on which review you're setting up. This helps us because clear labels make it easy for us to identify and distinguish between different tasks. Now that we've done that, it's time to set the recurrence. Click on the calendar icon and type every day for a daily review, every week for a weekly review, or every month for a monthly review. This is where Todoist's unique natural language date parsing comes in handy. But hold on, what's happening behind the scenes when we do this? Well, Todoist automatically schedules the task to recur at the specified interval, ensuring we never miss a review. Now, to make our reviews even more effective, let's add a checklist within each review task. Type out the actions you want to review daily, weekly, or monthly, and turn them into subtasks by clicking on the subtask icon. This is important because it helps us stay on track with what we need to review. Lastly, assign a priority level to each review task. Let me explain why this matters. Setting a priority level helps us prioritize our reviews amidst all the other tasks we have in Todoist. And that's it. You've just set up your daily, weekly, and monthly reviews in Todoist. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up for a more organized, productive lifestyle. Until next time, happy tasking.